So, this is a chain reaction. If this is 114, this angle here and this angle there add up to 180. So this would be 66 degrees, correct?
Mm-hmm. On the top and bottom there?
Well, not the here. So if you look at so we found that the angle next to 114 is 66. That means the other angle is 66 because it's an isosceles triangle. That means the third angle is 48. And 42 is 42 because 48 plus 42 equals 90, and that thing is marked like a right angle. Now you move your paper so the A-frame of the second triangle is up, and you get that this guy is 42. Yes?
Yeah.
Well, now we're getting close to number 2. Number 2 and 42 are next to each other. They add up to 180. So 138. Angle number 2 is 138. But that's not what they really want. They want x. So now you do 138 equals x plus 144. And x equals -6, I believe.
Yep.
So on these two triangles, are they right triangles?
No.
No. So you're down to the side, angle, 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 side, and angle, side, angle. Okay? You're into the non-right triangle reasons. So what do I have here? Huh?
Well, the answer
Is yes.
is SAS.
Absolutely. That's the four reasons you're going to use. Side, angle, side, angle, side, and angle, side, angle. Well, you're going to look here. Is this a side or an angle?
Side.
Side. Is this an angle or a side?
Angle.
And is this a side or an angle?
Side.
So it's side, angle, side, and yes. So whenever you're given anything that's given, the reason's given. Okay? So AC bisects DAB, given. You don't say definition of bisects. It's because they told you that. And angle B is congruent to angle D. So, but when you see the word bisects, you say, if this line here is cutting this angle in half, that means that this angle here is congruent to that angle by definition of bisects. That's the conclusion you make. Do you understand? So that's why that's another line item. Now I have that angle. I also have that D is congruent to B because they gave it to me. And now I just need one more thing.
AC
is equal to itself.
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
that's
And that's reflexive. Okay? Now once I say that, I can say the two triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. And then I can say the parts are congruent.
PCT.
Yes, got it? So I've got this, and they want me to find angle 2. They tell me that angle 2, and I don't know why they called everything angle 2 here, but that's just somebody got crazy with the 2. All right. They want me to tell them what x is if angle 2 is -8 plus 19x. Everybody see that? So we got to get to 2. But we don't look at 2 because we don't have any information. We don't have enough information down in that part of the picture to get there. But we do have a 63. Well, he's there for a reason. There's an x in the picture, right? So vertical angles are congruent. He's 63. Now you're going to move your paper because you got these two sides and make that, let's see if I can do it, like a A-frame, Miss Medlin's A-frame, right? So we know that this other bottom one is 63. Got it? So now 63 plus 63 is 126. So what's missing there from the 180? Is that 54? Well, I also know that these two add up to 90 because it's a right triangle. So this is 36. No, 36.
Yeah.
36. Now we take 36 away from 180. We don't really have to find the rest because angle 2 is right here. Angle 2 is right here. And it with 36 adds up to 180. So this is 144. So now I just make that 144 equals negative 8 plus 19x. Add 8 to 144, and I get 152, correct? Equals 19x, and divide by 19, and what do I have? I have 8. Is that the answer? On this 35, it forms an x, so I know that this guy here is 35, correct? And I know that this guy here is 100, because that has to add up to 180.
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
So that's 135, and I have 45 more left to get to 180, right?
Yes.
So I have x plus 57 equals 45. Subtract 57, and you get negative 12.